All right, we're going to take a look real quick at our safe swap power unit that will allow you to safely change the battery in pretty much any drone as long as it has a secondary plug already wired into it, and allow you to change that battery while keeping the drone and anything attached to it, including a camera, powered on while you change the battery. This will reduce your time in having to reboot everything and get back up and flying. It can be used again on Cinelifters. It could be used on 5 inches. It could be used on micros that have naked heroes. Doesn't really matter. We will start offering them with different plug variations, but you could also always just use an adapter on the XT90 anti-spark that is already set up on it. The first batch of these that comes out is going to be built specifically for Cinelifters. And so we're going to be including them with the XT90, but you will be able to change those plugs out and do whatever you'd like. As far as how to operate the thing, it's pretty simple. Like I said, you need 2 plugs set up on your drone already. In this situation, we've already got 2, as you can see on one of the camera views. We've got 2 XT90s coming out of the back of the drone here. We're going to go ahead and plug one battery in, which is the main battery. The drone's powered up and running. You were to land the drone, what you would do, plug the hot swap unit in. It's now powering the drone. We could then unplug the main battery off the drone. As you can hear, it has not shut down yet. When we plug it back in, we'll go ahead, bada bing, bada boom. Everything now could be changed out super fast. Now, the operating voltage on the battery that you put on your safe swap will always want to match. So if this is a 6S battery, you want to use a 6S battery on the safe swap. The other thing is you definitely want to try to keep the battery that is on the safe swap at a higher voltage than the battery coming off. It's not an issue, but it's just for precautionary wise, you want to always try to make sure you're taking a dead battery off and you're actually using your main battery on the safe swap somewhere between storage voltage and 4. This one right here is running at I think about 4.1 per cell right now. It's actually not really going to be drawing very much power, and it is passive, so when you do disconnect from the drone here, it is not actually using the battery up on the safe swap, so you can actually let this thing sit just like this, no problem. It's not going to drain that battery. So this now should help solve a lot of issues with rebooting cameras, keeping camera power going, and again, using this on say a 5-inch quad, maybe in an endurance race, could probably save you a ton of laps over an endurance time period. And you could also use this on those naked heroes, which people really, really hate having to disconnect and reconnect and all those. So hit us up. We'll have these products listed pretty soon. Fly safe, fly smart. Just fly. Peace.